Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make vegetable soup. And in a very simple way, I'm going to show how to make it with minimum ingredients. Check the ingredients. I've taken two medium onion, chop them finely. Now, since winter is already started, soup is very comforting during winter and a very good option to keep you warm. Now, once you chop the onion, leave it on the side. One red tomato, medium, remove the seed and chop finely and keep it aside. I've taken quarter of a cabbage to chop it finely. Now in order to make the soup, you have to have all the ingredients ready. Few florets of cauliflower, keep it in warm water, salty water and leave it aside. Meanwhile, we need to cut one potato medium size in small dice. Now remove the cauliflower from the water and chop them finely as shown. Now we have all the ingredients ready. Keep one vessel on the flame. Once the vessel is hot, add oil, add onion and let the onion saute for a while till it becomes golden brown in color. Once onion is golden brown, add tomato and saute it for a while. Add potato and cauliflower and cabbage. Mix well. Now add salt, pepper powder. I've used black pepper powder, you can use white. 1 cube of Maggi vegetable and sufficient amount of water, quantity what you require. Mix well and let it simmer. Cover it on a medium flame and leave it. Now once the vegetable is cooked, check the potato. Keep the flame on medium and add macaroni. I have used mixed macaroni which is 100 grams. Once you add macaroni, simmer it for at least 5 minutes till it is cooked and adjust seasoning. Check the salt. If you need more, you can add. This is the way how you make soup, guys. Now check the soup, guys. This is how you have to make vegetable soup with the minimum ingredients and you all will enjoy this soup. Guys, thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. Thank you very much.